Hi, it's Orly, and this morning I wanted to show you basically how I place the beads in the board. I've made a number of videos showing how to string the design once it's on the board, but I wanted to just start at the beginning. So this is the tweezer that comes with the board, and these are size 11s. So the way I do this is I just grab the bead and put it in. Grab the bead, and sometimes you can see the bead will be grabbed in the middle by the tweezer, and sometimes I can actually grab two at a time. But this is it. So I'm not leaning on the board, I'm not pushing the board around, I'm not bouncing the beads off of it. But that's it. Oh, sometimes I miss. If you hear that noise in the background, that's my new kitten, wreaking havoc. She's making me a little nervous because I don't know what she's doing over there. But this is how I do it. What I want to also do is show you the other tweezers that I sell on my website. This is a curved tip cross lock. I don't generally like to use this for the smaller beads because sometimes they'll go flying because of the pressure. There's no denying that sometimes I miss. But usually when the camera's not on me, I can do it a lot better. So there you go. This is a straight tip cross lock, and some people prefer that. Let's go back to the purple. Oops, see what happens? It does happen sometimes, folks. But I do promise you, when there's not a camera on you, it goes a lot better. And when I get in a groove, sometimes it does get stuck, but I can do this pretty quickly. Okay, so this one is just a straight tweezer. Let's pick gray. And the tension on these tweezers is actually different. So with the cross lock, it was a little bit more difficult, again, with the smaller beads. But with this, as you can see, I'm working pretty quickly. Just do another row here. The thing about my board is that the beads don't sit deeply into it because it was designed so that you could take your needle and pick the bead up with the needle. So you need to have it sitting fairly high so that you can put the needle through it. But this is basically, you know, how it works. And if I want to take out this bead right here, I can take that out, and let's replace it with a pink one. So I'm not leaning on the board, I'm not bouncing anything on the board, and I think that's all I can tell you about that. If you have any questions, drop me a line. Thank you.